guys, Teacher Zatis here and also Nini. So today we are going to make a DIY Play-Doh using all the ingredients that we have now. Are you ready? Alright, so these are the materials and ingredients that we need. We need a dish soap and food coloring, measuring spoons and also measuring cups, a container, a spoon, water, salt, and also a flour. You can use all-purpose of flour, okay? So, we're going to start now. Okay, for the first step, I'm going to put some ingredients into this container. Okay, first, I'm going to put the 2 cups of flour. You can use your measuring cup. I'm going to put 2 cups of flour into this container. One cup. 2 cups. Next, I'm going to put the half cup of salt. Next, I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Next, I'm going to put the food coloring to the mixture. For this one, it depends on you. You can put as much food coloring as you want. Okay, now I'm going to put the water slowly and gradually to the mixture. We don't want to ruin our texture of dough, so you need to put it gradually. I think it's easy for me to use my hand to knead the dough. Let's get our hands dirty. So the process of kneading this is quite tiring, but it's okay, you can do it slowly, okay? As you can see, it's almost turning a nice texture of dough. Let's keep kneading. Oh, look! I got the texture of a Play-Doh now. See? It's so nice. I did it! Alright, we did our own Play-Doh. It's easy, right? If you have all the ingredients and materials at home, you can try it with your mommy and daddy. And I feel like I want to make a heart shape for Nini. Look, a heart shape! This is for you, Nini. If you enjoyed this video, you can click like. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notification to wait for more videos from us. GoFun Time!